In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up HubSpot Calling. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect so you can place calls right from your CRM and have them automatically tracked. First, a quick overview. HubSpot Calling is a paid feature that lets you make calls directly from the HubSpot interface, log outcomes automatically, and connect calling activity to your contacts, companies, and deals. It also ties into workflows and reports so your team can stay on the same page without juggling extra tools. If you don't see the options I'm about to show, it usually means your user permissions or plan level might not include calling, so check with your HubSpot admin or review your subscription details. Let's get started. From your HubSpot portal, look to the top right of the screen and click the settings icon. This is the gear symbol. This opens the main settings area. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation panel. Go to the General section there to access the core setup pages. Within General, find and select the Calling tab. This is where HubSpot centralizes calling configuration and access. On the Calling page, click Get Started for HubSpot Calling. That's the key action that begins the setup within your account. Depending on your plan and role, you might see a brief wizard or confirmation. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Because this is a paid service, HubSpot may highlight plan information or usage details here. The important thing is that clicking Get Started is what enables the feature and connects calling capabilities to your CRM environment. A few helpful tips as you enable this. If the Calling tab isn't visible, you may need additional permissions or a plan upgrade. If it's visible but inactive, your account might require an admin to turn it on first. Also, ensure you're using a supported browser and that your microphone and headset are recognized by your device, since browser audio access is essential for clear calls. After enabling calling, you'll notice that calls initiated from contact records can be logged automatically, call outcomes can be captured for reporting, and you can connect calling activity with automations to streamline follow-ups. That's all you need to do to set up HubSpot Calling. Open Settings, go to General, switch to the Calling tab, and click Get Started. Once it's active, you're ready to call directly from HubSpot and keep everything neatly organized. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother calling workflow within your CRM.